OxygenOS is filled with hidden features to improve your experience. For example, swipe down from the top to access the notification shade, which makes it easier to check your notifications and choose what to focus on. In the notification shade, you can find loads of quick settings, adjust the brightness, and customizing which tiles you see first by tapping the pencil icon to rearrange them wherever you prefer. You can assign nifty gestures to your favorite features. Go to Settings, tap Buttons and Gestures, and select Quick Gestures. You can assign shortcuts, such as Draw O, quickly access the Shelf app anytime you draw a circle with the screen off. Customize Shelf by tapping the Settings button. It's the best place to access your favorite apps, contacts, and more. Also, a new feature in Shelf is Parking Location Service, which lets you record where you park your vehicle. Split Screen allows you to use two apps at the same time. Multitask, making use of the many apps supported, like YouTube, WhatsApp, and many others.